Hello boys and girls, I promise to make more vlogs again and I'm doing it. I'm going to meet up with my friends and we are going to a different town to explore some spots, some new spots that we have never skated before, and it's gonna be fun. What are we doing today, man?
We're gonna go explore some new spots today.
Nice.
Spent maybe 5 hours on Google Maps looking for spots.
Nice. I'm excited, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
It's illegal to skate here.
No, it's got it.
It's okay. Last spot we just found is amazing. It's so cool. There's a few corners. It's not super fast, but it's pretty technical. A lot of fun. Super fun. What do you think, Tyler? I love it.
Dude, that's probably my favorite spot of the day so far.
Yeah, so far it's the best spot we found today. I don't know if somebody has ever skated this spot, but it is really cool. I love it.
So this is a spy arrow.
Okay.
Over here. This is Castle Crushers. It's like an iconic BC spot, man. I can't believe you've never skated it.
Never skated it, man.
And we go all the way down there.
Ooh.
And it's a really nice place to do a long slide.
Nice.
Pull y'all to test me. Big fish, you take a group of y'all to catch me. I draw quicker when it start getting sketchy. A bunch of them think they hard, just edgy. I put my heart in this, it's heavy, but my palms ain't sweaty. My feet stand steady, it's ugly, but I'm sharp like Freddy. This ain't a dream. They put on the mask in front of mask. I know it's steam to see how I'm working. Did it my way, they ask a thing of you. Shine a little harder when they mean mug you. I'm just getting started, but raising the bar. No sign of slowing down, I could race with Lamar. Punch with Javante, basic guitar without ever leaving the state. That's how fly I am to Jafar. The red carpet should start at Gremlin, Mr. Slim and Dick. Think they really trim till they trembling and they okay. It ain't been said till I said it. I got some phone no Reddit rap said poems placed over cold cut beats for the lettuce. No better time in the present, living it, loving it, let it. Can't say they prayed on my downfall, but I bet you they bet it. Showed up the cancer collection, bless all my work with progression. Bless your little heart, you aggressive. I see no harm in no weapon. I left some prints one step in the kind I hope they ain't catching until I ended the session. It was your end at beginning, they shouldn't have started, especially with making targets of me. Cause I'm a marksman, I never miss. Could assure you the preacher got something dope in the speakers, and it's a fee for the feature. Ain't trying to weigh my head all down. About time today, stress gone now. I see jet fly away, but what to calm down, I'm still find a way. Find a way. Ain't trying to weigh my head all down. About time today, stress gone now. I see jet fly away. Till me calm down, but I still fly away. Fly away, yeah. The bad man's back, you best stand back. How I'm stepping back, they can't stand that. The bar's a weapon, but I bought some larger weapons. happens if that don't transact or doesn't register? I kidnap the king for sending a messenger. Give me a second to make it secular. I send out a kill before I send a threat to you, and that's no disrespect to you. Tell me how I'm not supposed to know I'm the greatest. We're making something out of nothing, should flush out all the baits. But just in case, I'll sharpen the iron and cut to the chase. And if the chase don't get to
I'm wet as hell, but it's so much fun, guys. It's so worth it. Everybody should skate in the wet, in the rain especially. It's even more fun. Look at this hill, guys. It's a brand new spot. Nobody has skated this spot before. It has a lot of debris on it, but we're gonna be the first people to skate it.
Oh, look at that view, man.
Woo-hoo.
I cannot follow you down this, man. Woo!
I just got home, I took a shower, feeling really good after a long day of skating. So much skating, so many new spots. We're super happy with what we found, and we're definitely going to come back there and skate more. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you soon.